it. Jake Outdoors. For all you tough fans out there, guess what site we're at? Site F-150 with some extensions. Got Eden.
Oh.
Hansi Poo, ready to kill it this morning. Beautiful early day. I don't know where the other crew's at. They might be already on the boat, but. Got any words for the day, Eden?
No.
No? I do. It's going down. There's the big leader of the group.
Oh yeah, gang. Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe. We're about to get into it.
We're on our way. Cruising. 3-hour ride out, so it's a little boring. Crew's taking a nap. Our crew, California crew. Liam's circling around. Hans is in there, sleeping. But beautiful day on the ocean. Super flat. Said Eden and Jordan are resting up for the hard pound. Got some pin reels today. Pin. That's what we're talking about. Enjoying the beautiful ocean like we're supposed to.
Liam, can you show the GoPro what we're fishing for?
Really enthusiastic.
That's our deck cam, Liam. Sand dabs for lean cod later.
Trying to get on the GoPro.
Trying to get on the GoPro. We've seen seals and dolphins now, Eden. Wow.
They're having a ball.
A mini halibut right there. Catching sand dabbies. Eden, how does it feel? How many did you catch?
Okay, everybody up. Everybody out of the water.
Catching sand dabs for the old lean cod.
It's all the fedora. It's because of the fedora.
All the Lux and the fedora.
Fedora's got the power.
Next spot. Hans just reeled in this monster.
Got a big old fedora.
Fedora.
Power of the fedora.
What's it called, Liam?
Patrolling.
A patrolli.
Pretty nice.
It's gonna be good eating. It's
yeah.
another species of halibut.
Is that a whitefish?
Yeah.
Nice.
Save that for later.
Go put that.
First step of the fishing journey. We're here with the Cali crew, Eden, Hans, Liam, Nicholas. A bunch of, probably 40 of those sand dabs, so going to the new spot. We're gonna go rock cod fishing, see if we can catch any rocks, and we're gonna hit up the ling cod, so stay tuned.
Whatever it was.
Drop them down. Stop the orange on canary and a yellow. Nick's got a big lean cod on. Oh,
Biting good on the bottom, guys. Real good on the bottom.
Oh, Nick's having to rest it. You know it's a tough fight. Ling.
That's a big old ring, dude.
Reel him up. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Nick, keep reeling, keep reeling. I got the shot. Keep reeling, Nick. Keep reeling, otherwise he's gonna. Keep reeling. He's coming, he's coming. Hold on.
Hold on.
Watch the way you put that hook down, Liam. Watch the way you put that hook down. Yeah, don't mess it up, Liam. Pressure's on. Dad's got him. Dad's got him. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous, Liam. Come on, pick him up, Nick. Come on, Nick. Good job. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Nice.
4x4 hooking up. I got a small one. Aiden's got a big one. Gersh is over there. He's got electric reel. He's cheating. Oh yeah. If I got one, it's a little guy. God, crank it fast, Eden. Crank it fast. Eden's got a hog on. Eden's got a hog. I don't think I got one. Mine came off.
No. Okay.
Oh, she's stuck on the bottom?
No, she's got a big one on.
Oh.
You just had something huge.
Oh, Hans has a double.
It came off.
You don't got a ling, you got two. That's okay.
Man, mine didn't even hit the bottom. It's somewhere on there.
Hey, Liam.
Fish out there, Nick? Oh, dude.
Yeah, it fell off.
Oh, look, the albatross. He's getting like this.
Oh. Albatross. Look at Hans fight. Alright, Hans has got his. What do you got? Is he on?
It was taking line and then it stopped. Like whatever it was.
Oh man, look at that nice one.
There's a vermilion.
Nice vermilion for Garish. Oh, what's Jordan got? Oh, canary. Nice. Good job, Eden. Eden's getting herself set up. Oh yeah, look at it. He's got doubles. Big doubles. Big doubles for Hans. Oh. There we go. Now I got one. We're gonna use the rail. That way we can get it up into the pail. Constant pressure. Oh yeah, I think I might have doubles. We are fishing deep water. Oh, see that albatross? Look how cool it is. Here it comes. Dun it, dun it, dun it.
Can I hook on you?
We are, but hold on, Eden. Just lift up. Oh man, we are. Oh, that's a. Oh. I don't think we can keep this. Where'd Liam? Hey, Dana.
That's good. That's
Starry. Blah, blah, blah. I'm coming up. Oh, I'm totally wrapped around Eden. Oh, sorry, Eden. Oh, I totally. Big boy. Big boys. Keep coming up, Eden. Oh, look what it hit, Eden. Hit your little fish. All right, go get another one. Eden, you want this one?
No.
You sure? You might want this one, Eden.
I got one.
Nick's got a big
They're
one.
eating some hooks right now. And they're biting.
Oh.
We're big doubles.
No, it's the ling cod.
Big old canary. Big old canary. Nice.
notice something with me and my fish? We both kind of, me and my fish blend together. Oh yeah. This be fun. Fill in the freezer. Oh, Jordan's got one. Hans got the double. Oh. Hans. Huh?
He swam away.
That other one go away too? Alright. Look at little Jordy Pants over there.
There it is.
Oh, look at, oh, slow down, Jordan, slow down. Don't, slow down, slow down. Liam's gonna gaff it for him. Oh yeah! Nice big one for Jordan. Woo! Any last words? Any last words? How do you feel?
Oh, did you get on GoPro?
Oh yeah, bro.
Feels amazing, just like Christmas.
Oh, we love Christmas.
Catching up at the Sketch Rogers quote right there.
Sketch. Okay. All right, Eden's set up. All right, should be good to go, Eden. When that thing launches, it's your turn. Eden hooked up. Jordan hooked up. Hans hooked up. Slow down, Eden. Slow down. Oh, oh. Eden's got hers. All right, Hans is still on his. Oh, oh, so slow down. Who's ever? Oh, Jordan's got a big yellow. Up and over. Quick, Liam.
Keep that one. Bring them over the side. You can keep that one.
Hold on.
Dude, that thing's a freaking hog. Stomach's empty.
Oh,
Nick is playing with the bottom.
You're allowed two on right now.
grab a bait, Eden.
Huh?
Grab a bait. All right, nice and steady, Jordan. Let's put it on the rail.
Nice.
That was nice.
Slow down, Jordan. There you go.
Everybody up?
Garish, Liam.
We got one more over here.
GoPro died, but we totally got a Lingville. Lamb deckhand. Oh man, that's my hog right there. Eden totally hammered him. How's it feel, Eden, to totally hammer the ling cod? She totally just set the hook and said, "Gotcha, sucker." So we got limits of rockfish and ling cod, and time to head back home.
The true pro